Did you know some people start recording conversations just to remember what actually happened? Sarah began secretly recording her boyfriend after months of feeling crazy. Every argument ended the same way. He'd claim he never said what she remembered, call her too emotional, and somehow make her apologize for bringing it up. She started doubting her own memory. Maybe she was overreacting. Maybe she did twist his words. Then she played back a recording. He had said exactly what she remembered, word for word. The cruel comment, the dismissive tone, all of it. But when she confronted him later, he denied it completely and made her feel guilty for even asking. That's when she realized he wasn't just lying to her. He was training her to lie to herself. Gaslighting doesn't just rewrite history. It teaches you to rewrite it for them. It makes you complicit in your own confusion. The cruelest part isn't that they lie about what happened, it's that they make you forget what truth feels like.